Do you remember getting an Orange Julius at the mall? Well, today I am going to share with you how to make this nostalgic drink that's actually better than the mall version with a secret ingredient that I'm going to share with you today. So delicious. You've got to try it.
Quick and tasty on the farm where recipes live on for generations.
Welcome back to Quick and Tasty on the Farm. I'm Vicki, and in our kitchen we make recipes that are simple, delicious, and very tasty. Today we are making a recipe that is very nostalgic. It's a drink recipe called the Orange Julius, and guess what? This recipe is better than the mall. The first thing this recipe calls for is orange juice concentrate. Now, many people just think you need straight orange juice, but here's a little secret. It's the orange juice concentrate that gives this nostalgic recipe the strong orange flavor that the original had in the mall. But that's still not the secret that makes this taste like the original Orange Julius. For this recipe, besides the orange juice concentrate, we're gonna need some sugar, some ice, some milk, and a little secret. We're gonna pull out the blender and get going. And here's the little secret, real Mexican vanilla. It makes all the difference and makes this Orange Julius taste just like the original mall recipe. It is so delicious. Wait until you try it. I have my blender out. We're just gonna throw everything right here in the blender, blend it up, and I'll share with you exactly what it looks like and tell you exactly what it tastes like. So delicious. I'm gonna start with the orange juice concentrate. We're gonna dump it right in. From there, I'm actually gonna pour in to the orange juice concentrate cardboard cup. I'm gonna fill it with milk. And I'm gonna pour it right in. Oops, I think I had a leak at the bottom. I had milk on my counter. Now I'm gonna add in 1/4 cup of sugar, and this can be give or take depending on what you like. We're gonna do about 1/4 cup. The next, we're gonna add in some ice. And I usually just guess. We're gonna do probably 3 cups of ice. Now for the secret ingredient. What I do is I just put in, comment below if you have this at home. If you don't, run to the store and get some because real Mexican vanilla is the best. I'm actually gonna pour an entire capful, just like that, right in. And that right there is my secret ingredient. This nostalgic Orange Julius tastes just like the ones we used to get in the mall. And it's been a family favorite of ours for years. In fact, we like to do something called family night, where once a week we get together as a family and we try to put everything else aside. And we usually have a spiritual lesson, play some games, and we usually always have a treat. This right here has been one of our family favorite treats for a long time. And we're gonna get blending. I love my Vitamix. I've had this one for probably 25 years, honestly, and it has worked great from the day I bought it. I have loved it. It was a little bit more money than I thought I would spend on a blender, but it's been so worth it. Now it looks like I made it a little too thick, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more milk to it. Just a little bit right through the top. I think I added too much ice. You want to let it blend totally smooth. I'm gonna pop it right open. Look at that, you guys. Oh, looks so good. Let me smell it. Oh, I can smell the strong orange flavor from the orange concentrate, and I can smell the Mexican vanilla. The perfect combination for an Orange Julius. I'm gonna get some cups, pour Casey and I some glasses full of this delicious drink. Alan is gone for the night, so Casey and I just wanted a delicious treat to enjoy visiting this evening before we head to bed. So let's pour it up and take a sip. Let's pour up a glass. Look at that. Here we go. Absolutely perfect. So delicious. The recipe is going to be below in the description, but go out and buy yourself a can of orange juice concentrate. I'm sure you have a little sugar in your house. I'm sure you have milk, ice, and Mexican vanilla. Friends, this is absolutely delicious. And to be honest, it tastes better than the mall one I had years ago. And this is our very favorite thing for family night. So give it a try, make some for your family, and enjoy. I'm gonna pour Casey some, and we're gonna enjoy visiting tonight.
I'm excited.
Yeah. There you go, Casey.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Most people think that orange juice and ice is all you need, but that's actually why most homemade versions don't taste quite right. But this one is going to far exceed your expectations, I promise.
Quick and tasty on the farm, where recipes live on for generations.